are all warriors, and this is our journey. Our time is now to stop disappearing into the shadows and start falling in love with your life. Are you ready?
Beautiful warriors, welcome back. Let me ask you, have you ever prayed for answers? Have you ever prayed for solutions? Have you ever prayed for healing, only to find yourself in more chaos than you were to begin with? I know how disheartening this can feel because I've been there too and I've felt it. It can feel like somebody's trying to kick us while we're down. It can feel like that last will of hope that we had is gone. We lose faith, thinking that our prayers have not been answered or have not been heard. We lose the will to keep standing up and keep fighting forward. But sometimes the chaos is the answer to our prayers. Sometimes the chaos is the solution. And I know it can seem counterintuitive. I know it can be really hard to understand sometimes. And that's what I want to talk a little bit more about today. Sometimes the chaos is the exact answer to our prayers, because we've built up these lives around us, we've built up these illusions, and sometimes the chaos is the only way to shatter those illusions. It's the only way to dissolve the darkness and make room for all of the light, all of the love, all of the healing we want in our lives. It's the only way to let all of the walls come crumbling down, to shatter our perceptions of the world around us and also the world within us. It allows us to clear the foundation and start new. So sometimes the chaos is the solution to our prayers. And I know how hard it can be when we're in the eye of the storm, when we've hit our rock bottom, because we don't see that there's a way out. We don't see that there's something bigger lying beyond. We don't see that this is actually the answer to our prayer. But I want to encourage you to keep moving, to keep getting back up when you've been knocked down. Because although you might not see it now, although you might be in the eye of the storm, it will get better. I promise you that if you keep getting up, you will find your way out of the storm. If you're willing to sit with your pain for 1 second more than you were willing to sit with it yesterday, if you're willing to keep looking with your heart, you'll find your way out of the chaos. You'll find your way back to the light. If you keep searching with your heart, you will always find your way back to the light. So if you're in a moment of chaos right now, or if you feel like the world is spinning out of control, I just want to give you a little bit of encouragement and tell you to keep standing up, to keep picking yourself up off the ground and keep moving forward, because it will get better, I promise you this. So from one warrior to another, stay strong, have courage, and be kind. Be kind to yourself. I know these moments aren't always easy, but you've got this. You can do it.
Hop on over to davidD.ca and subscribe for exclusive content and weekly updates. Sending you all love.